I start over a new channel, even though I have the old channel same way. You don't know things set. We got through some energy with that channel. So right now, you don't know, me can't just sit down and look now to start over again until that channel ready for me again. So you don't know so things set. Cause you know we are only human, but I say guys, YouTube change up some policy what me never aware of.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Mannix Robinson TV. And I am back at it again. Big up yourself, Mackie Lifestyle, M. Morgan, Dave Kennedy, Anthony Fly 2, the Maya's Way. Your respect is large around here every time. But anyway guys, we're gonna jump into it right now. And what I'll be talking about today guys is Oliver Lifestyle Jamaica. It is channel, but I'm not gonna do the talking. I'm gonna let him talk for himself, and then you will have an idea of what's going on.
Because I start over a new channel, even though I have the old channel same way. You don't know things set. We got through some energy with that channel. So right now, you don't know, me can't just sit down and look now to start over again until that channel ready for me again. So you don't know so things set. Cause you know we are only human, but I say guys, YouTube change up some policy what me never aware of, and you don't know a energy reach my channel. So anyway, you don't know. Some people might laugh because some may have haters out there might glad and I say things say, but you can't glad because you never know what they are head of you for you and they are wait for you, so you never glad for your man don't fall. You know from a way you see it. You just have to know if you conduct yourself and angle thing and angle bang the way you're supposed to angle bang, you see it. Because right about now my channel collapse and me have to end up a try to work on it, and you know it kinda hit me a certain way, so you know me have to try to do back a different thing and come back again fresh. And you don't know, sometimes starting over is great and is good. So knowing that you have a channel and certain, you know, energy reach away, you know, it's like you have to put that on pause.
I noticed that I haven't been getting any notification from Oliver's channel. You know, I noticed he haven't posted any video, and any of you guys know Oliver put out probably 20 videos per day. I don't know how we do it. You can rest assured that he will not let you down. He will put out videos every day. So I noticed that I haven't been seeing anything fresh. Went on his channel and it's like 3 days back, 4 days back. So I say, okay, maybe he took a break. He fly out, you know, went to Aruba or the Bahamas, Colombia, Mexico, you know, to chill out with his family for a week or two. Until this morning, I saw something pop up in my feed. Oh, he just posted something. Then I hope not the channel and, you know, press on it, hope not the video, and he was talking and I hear him say like something went down with the channel and so forth. I say, hold on. So I said, something went down with the channel. Then I heard him say, yeah, this is my new channel. I said, what? So when I look, I see where he has. At the time when I saw the video, it was 500 and something subscribers. At the time of at the time when I check his channel page. I don't know how much it is right now at the recording of this video. But I was like, what's going on? So I was listening to the video where he was talking, and I said, wow, bro, I'm not here to tell you, boy, I know how you feel, because I've never experienced something like that before. I can only imagine how depressed you feel right now. I can only imagine how defeated you feel right now, or confused, or overwhelmed, or lost. I can only imagine the mood and the vibes that you're in right now. I can only imagine. I don't know. I can't tell you. I know how you feel. And I'm not going to pretend. This is just Mannix talking right here. You see it. I don't know. I'm not here to tell you cheer up, because when a person have been building a channel for over the years, putting sweat and tears and blood to build your channel, and something happened, it's a mind-boggling experience. I don't know how you're dealing with it. I can't imagine, and I'm not here to tell you cheer up, Oliver. I will not do that because I'm not in your shoes right now, and you are the one that is wearing that heavy shoes and dealing with the burden and everything that comes with it. But I see where you strap up your boat, you dust yourself off, and you hit the ground running again. That says a lot about your character, and you can't keep a good man down. And I know there are YouTubers out there probably rejoicing at what happened with the channel, but there's nothing to gloat when a YouTuber is experiencing trouble with their channel. There's nothing to gloat about. If a person want to gloat, that shows their character, because another YouTuber should not rejoice when another YouTuber channel is in problem. You're not supposed to rejoice. There's nothing to rejoice about. I can only imagine how you feel right now. And I pray that you just deal with it in your own way. That's all I can say. Don't go down by the hardware and buy no rope or no Gramazone or anything like that. Don't do nothing like that. Don't do nothing like that. Just keep on being the Oliver that your fans and your followers have come to love and adore. And we, your subscribers and followers, are not expecting nothing less than Oliver Unfiltered. Nothing less on this second channel. We look forward for a great journey with this second channel, and we anticipate great work, great content from Oliver Unfiltered. We know that this channel will reach great heights in a short span, in a short time. We know you will do great stuff, and we look forward for you to buckle down, take your seat in your second channel, and do the great work that you have been called to do. All right, big up yourself. Much love, much respect from Mannix Robinson TV. My fellow subscribers, my viewers, my channel members that follow Mannix Robinson TV, I beg of you, I beseech to you, I ask, I plead to you, please go over and show Oliver Unfiltered your support. Help him to reach that milestone, get his channel monetized so he can start, bringing in his revenue to do what he needs to do and to take care of his family. I'm begging you guys. Thanks again, guys, for tuning into Mannix Robinson TV one more time. I really appreciate it. Much love, much respect to you. And as always, you have yourself a blessed one. All right? Peace out.